welcome back to my channel. My name's Jasmine and welcome to Vlogmas. Yay. Okay, so I was not planning on doing this at all. I have failed miserably over the years, but one of my friends is doing Vlogmas. If you want to go check her channel out, she is hilarious. She is a mom of 2 boys. I'm gonna leave her link down below so you guys can go check her out and subscribe to her channel. She's also gonna be doing Vlogmas. And honestly, I was just scrolling through YouTube and everybody was talking about Vlogmas. Everywhere I'm on is talking about Vlogmas. So I was like, you know what? Let me try it again. But I do want to make this a thing because I want to keep all these memories with my kiddos and stuff. Now, granted, these videos are probably not going to be all like sporadic and random and stuff. I will be having a lot of like clean with me and a lot of those videos that you are used to getting from me. You guys can get to know a little bit more about me and my family, my kiddos. But that is pretty much my idea behind Vlogmas. So kind of show you what a day-to-day looks like during quarantine, even though we kind of don't do a lot of stuff. But you know, you guys are probably gonna motivate me. Maybe one day we'll tackle a closet. Maybe one day we will, I don't know, go to Target or something. So we'll figure it out. We're in this together. Hopefully I can get to vlog every single day or have a video up every single day. I don't know if weekends count. Do they count? Someone help me because this is my first Vlogmas, like for real ever, and I don't remember. But I promise that you will get the same videos like I said, and you'll just get, I don't know, extra. I'm very nervous about this. If you guys have any ideas of what videos you want to see from me, then definitely leave them down below because I will be filming them. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for following. And yeah, happy Vlogmas. So with Vlogmas day 1 here, I wanted to show you guys a little special surprise that was in our living room this morning when we woke up, because it is so cute and the boys are so excited. So let me turn the camera around and show you. A little elf is always showing up on the 1st of the month, and he even came with a little letter for the boys, our book, and look at him. He's breaking out of the box. There's snow and a little snowman, and he was so sweet. He got the boys Orbeez. They absolutely love Orbeez, and they're so fun to play around with.
I want to play with them.
So squishy and slimy, and yeah, you guys, how cute. I cannot wait to see what he does tomorrow. Will he move? Will he not move? Is all a mystery. So we'll find out tomorrow, and of course I'm going to be showing you guys. Right now I need to make me some lunch because I'm starving. I haven't had breakfast yet. Lighting does not look great right this angle, but look how big Miss Sammy has gotten, you guys. I introduced her a couple videos back and she is just grown up so much. I cannot believe that this is our, I think she's 14 week now, or 15, something like that, puppy. And she is so smart. All right, so Carter and I just had lunch. He had some chicken nuggets, of course, and I had some chicken dumplings. But so I'm going to get rid of all of the Thanksgiving stuff, put it away, and then I'm gonna do some printing and prepping for Christmas. It's gonna be all decked out for Christmas, and I cannot wait to share that with you guys in the following days. Okay, so one of the first things that I do is, since I do have a plethora of items here, they all come from different creators and stuff, I want to make sure that I section them off. So that is exactly what I am going to do first. Anything that's like super small and tiny, like these little manipulatives, I just wrap a rubber band around them. Anything that has like a Velcro, I am going to Velcro it together and then just keep it all together like so.
land on the vacuum? What happens if you land on the vacuum?
Alright guys, so that does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you want to see for this Vlogmas. I am going to edit this video right now so that I can upload it and be ready for tomorrow's video. See you in the next one.